Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use QuickBooks Online in 2025, whether it is actually worth it for the small businesses like you or not. We will be discussing that here in today's video. So first of all, you need to come here on quickbooks.intuit.com. You can also use the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on this page. Now, first of all, you need to create your account here. So click on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, select the option of QuickBooks Online. Now, once you come over here, it is going to ask you to provide your email address and user ID. But I'm assuming that you are completely new to QuickBooks and you want to create an account. So simply click on the option of create an account. Now, once you do this, it is going to show you all of the plans that are available. So their simple start plan is going to cost you around $10 per month, and their advanced plan is going to cost you $38 per month. So over here, you can select the plan. You are also going to get a 30-day free trial. After selecting the plan, simply provide your details, like first of all select your business location, then simply just select the subscription, get the billing period and provide your payment method in order to continue with the payment plan. So once you have it done, you are going to get access to your QuickBooks dashboard. So with the help of that dashboard, you will be able to basically instantly see your income, your expenses, and the profit summary. There won't be any kind of confusing menus. So this particular dashboard and the tool is basically perfect for freelancers, for the small businesses and the owners who just want clarify without hiring any accountant. However, if you have never used bookkeeping software before, some of the financial terms like chart of the accounts might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but for this regard, QuickBook team is also going to help you. So here you can talk to them on this given number and they are going to help you with setting up your account here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.